welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Philip, and today we're gonna check out how to fix your life and get your shit together. Because this has been a challenge for me and for many people. This is a highly demanded topic to talk about because it affects most of our lives. At least it did mine. That's what I know. So let's get into it, bro. Step 1. Reprogram your brain, okay? Stop thinking negative thoughts about yourself. Your thoughts shape your identity. If your identity is fucked, your reality will be too. What you have to understand is that your mind is a weapon, a very effective and strong weapon. And when you turn it against yourself, you're pretty much fucked, okay? You have to reprogram your brain to stop thinking about the negative thoughts that you have, because them negative thoughts are shaping your identity. For example, if all day I'm thinking, oh my god, I'm such a fucking trash YouTuber, I'm never gonna make a YouTube video again, no one's watching my videos, I'm gonna start thinking like that, and I'm not gonna make a video. Where instead, if I'm telling myself, okay, my videos are fucking awesome, a lot of people are waiting to watch my videos, and it will help someone. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference here? In mindset, in reprogramming your brain into thinking positively instead of negatively. Like with the first example, you're basically digging yourself in the mud, and in the second example, you're uplifting yourself. In the first example, you're going downwards in a spiral, and in the second, you're going upwards in the spiral. You need to reprogram your brain into thinking positively. Stop thinking negative things about yourself. Your thoughts shape your identity. If identity is fucked, your reality will be too. You have to understand that your mind is your reality. Okay, everything that comes through your eyes is processed by your brain, and then it becomes your reality. If I'm telling myself all the time that I'm fat as fuck and that I cannot work out because I'm tired, then I'm not gonna work out because I will think I'm tired. Oh my, I'm so tired today. Maybe let's not work out for today. Maybe let's do it tomorrow. I'm tired. Well, if you say that over and over, your subconscious will automatically adopt that thought and make it a reality, okay? Your mind is your ally. Don't make it an enemy. We don't have many things in this reality that we can influence, okay? You have to understand that. Our brain is one of the few things that can be influenced by us. You cannot influence the weather, you cannot influence how other people think. The only thing you have some control over is your mind. And if not even your mind is on your side, then you're fucked. Let me tell you that. Step 2 to unfucking your life. Get on your workout routine. Get on your shit. Okay? Work out in the morning. When you work out in the morning, your whole day goes well. Why does your whole day go well when you work out in the morning? Because you're setting up the pace for the day. Have you ever observed that when you don't work out in the morning and you put it off for later in the day, sometimes you don't even work out? Yeah, it's because you're setting the day off by scrolling on your phone, and you're getting with the wrong foot on the day, bro. You need to set the right pace from the start of the day, from the moment you wake up. The first thing that you should not do when you wake up is grab your phone and scroll, bro. That is the no-no, okay? But yeah, get on your workout routine. First of all, you're gonna be more confident, okay? Imagine looking yourself in the mirror and watching a fucking fat fuck in front of you. And imagine what life could be and how much your confidence would skyrocket if you actually worked out and you saw yourself in the mirror and said, you know what? I have a 10 out of 10 physique. Imagine what your confidence would be, bro. Just imagine. Work out in the morning. Get on your workout shit. Don't skip your workouts, okay? Don't skip leg day. Don't be gay. Leg day is the most important day of the week because your leg muscles produce the most testosterone out of all the muscles in your body. And that's why it's the hardest part to train, okay? Don't skip leg day. Get on your workout shit. You will have confidence, you will have better health, more energy, and you will set the day right by working out in the morning. Step 3, your diet. Fix your diet. I know you probably are eating shit right now. Junk food and all that bullshit. So you have to fix your diet. We are what we eat. We have only one body, okay? Your body is sacred. How you treat your body is how you treat everything in life. Think about what you put in your body, okay? How do you expect to have energy with the shit you be eating? How do you expect to have energy when you're eating junk food every day? Or you're not eating the right things? How do you expect to have energy? You will not have energy. And yeah, with the car example, think about what will happen if you put water in the car instead of gas. Will it work properly? No, it will not work properly. So what are you putting in your body then? Are you putting gas instead of water? What are you doing with your body? You have to fix your diet. You are what you eat, okay? And what you eat reflects on the mirror. You will have more energy, you will be more confident because you know what you put in your body every day and you know you're putting in the effort if you're working out and eating right. And that confidence then translates into you having more confidence with girls, okay? And if you want a step-by-step framework on how to work out, what splits to do, what exercises to do, what diet to do, the first link in the description is for you, okay? Check it out after the video. Step 4, eat the frog. What is eating the frog? What am I talking about here? Eating the frog is a productivity method that means completing the most challenging task first thing in the morning. Okay, so what is the hardest part of your day? Working out? Okay, you will do it first thing in the morning. Why? To set off the pace of the day. Think about it. You wake up, you do your workout, and then you have all day long to do whatever the fuck you want. Or you wake up, you do your work, your deep work, you work out, and you basically have done 50% of the things on your program in about 2 hours of the day starting. Eat the frog, okay? Do the hardest task first thing in the morning. That way you start your day off correctly. Step 5 to fixing your life and getting your shit together is cut off all addictions. Your addictions are holding you back, okay? They're draining your time and energy from the important shit you have in your life. What are some addictions you probably have? Junk food? We already been through that. You know what to do now. And if you don't know what to do with your diet, I can help you with that. First link in the description. Junk food. Stop eating shit, okay? You are what you eat. Prawn. Stop jerking off. You already know that. It's common sense. Think about what happens to your identity when you start jerking off every day. You program your subconscious into thinking that, yeah, I'm a guy who jerks off every day. I'm a guy who jerks off every day. That's your identity right now. So when you go speak to that girl that you see on the street, of course you'll not have the confidence to speak to her because you've programmed your fucking subconscious into thinking, yeah, I'm a guy who jerks off every day. How are you supposed to have confidence to go and speak to the girl? You're not gonna have confidence, okay? Stop jerking off. Stop watching porn, bro. It's destroying your mental. Also, stop procrastinating. You said you do the thing? Do the thing. What are you doing? Watching this video. You said you do the thing. Now don't stop watching the video, okay? After the video, you do the thing. Then, social media. Another addiction. Stop scrolling. You're wasting your energy on stupid shit, okay? Cut off all addictions. Your addictions are holding you back. They're draining your time and energy from the important shit you have in your life. Stop eating junk food. You are what you eat. Stop watching porn. It's ruining your identity. Stop procrastinating. It's also ruining your identity because think about what that does to your subconscious. You said you do the thing. You don't do the thing. So you broke your word. You're not keeping your word to yourself. And what does that mean? You did not keep your word to yourself, so now you have less trust in yourself. You don't trust yourself anymore. That's what procrastination does. And not keeping your word to yourself. That's what it does. Procrastination is evil. Stop procrastinating. Get your shit together, bro. Social media browsing. Stop scrolling. You're wasting your time and energy. The two most important things you have in your life. Step 6. Clean your room. Your room reflects your mental state. Okay? Clean your room. Your room reflects your mental state. Let's think about this for a second, okay? Let's think about this for a second. You wake up, your room's a mess. You start the day off by scrolling 2 hours on your phone, okay? Then you wake up from the cycle of scrolling and you realize you have to eat. You eat the shit food, the junk food. Then you go on YouTube, you waste another 2 hours. Then you do something productive to set the balance off, okay? Okay, you did something productive for the day after 5 hours of scrolling and YouTube. Then you look at your room, it's a fucking mess. Of course it's a mess, because your brain is a mess. Look at your habits. You're not on your shit. So of course your room is gonna look like shit. Your room reflects your mental state. Do you think Andrew Tate has everything in his room spread out and thrown out like shit? Of course not. Do you think Alex Hormozy sits in his room and it's all messed up? Of course not. Why? Because high performers know that their room reflects their mental state, so they keep it tidy. You're projecting the reality you have of the world in your room. Your room is your world, okay? It's your small world. You live in the room for 90% of the day. Okay, not for 90%, but at least for 70% of the day you're in your room. It's your world, okay? It's your little world. Think about that. So if your little world is shit, probably the outer world is also shit. It's your mini reality. Your room is your mini reality. Step 7. Get off social media. It's a massive fucking waste of energy. Massive waste of energy. Social media. First of all, it's a massive waste of energy, and second, you're comparing yourself with everyone on Instagram. Think about what the fuck does that do to your mental health? What does that do to your mental health? Of course, not good things, let me tell you that. You're watching every creator flex their body, which is probably fake, because they're taking steroids or they have the best lighting in the world, and you're thinking to yourself, oh, I'm a piece of shit. Look at my body. I have no progress in the gym. Yeah, of course, because you're comparing yourself every day with people who are fake. Stop comparing yourself to people on Instagram. It fucks your mental really bad, making you feel worse about yourself. Get off social media. Massive waste of energy. You're comparing yourself with everyone on Instagram. It's fucking your mental really bad, making you feel worse about yourself. Okay, let's recap what we have learned. How we are gonna fix our lives in 2025. Don't wait for New Year's resolution. You will start today. Today is the day you start. Don't let it be Monday. Don't let it be Saturday. I don't give a fuck. You start today. You can fix your life. Why not start something you can do today and let it for tomorrow? If you can do something today, don't let it for tomorrow. Do it today. We only have the present. We don't have the future or the past. Fuck the past, fuck the future. We only have today, right now. We only have the present moment. Some bonus things. Meditation. Do you meditate? Of course you don't meditate. Why would you meditate when you're scrolling every day on your phone watching Instagram Reels? Why the fuck would you meditate? Meditation, what does meditation do? Meditation basically resets your brain and pulls you out of the sinkhole that is Instagram and social media and brings you back to reality. What do you do when you meditate? You're focusing on your breath. And what does your mind do? It drifts off. You're thinking of random thoughts. And what do you do then? You bring yourself back to the breathing part. You're focusing on your breath. So then when you go on Instagram and scroll reels, your mind will pull you back into reality because you will think of the meditating you've done. Start meditating. So let's recap. What the fuck have we learned this video? First, reprogram your brain. Stop thinking negative things about yourself. Your thoughts shape your identity. If identity is fucked, your reality will be too. Step 2. Get on your workout shit. Working out in the morning is the best thing you can do. It sets off the pace of the day, productively. When you work out in the morning, your whole day goes well. Step 3, fix your diet. We are what we eat. We have only one body, and our body is sacred. How you treat your body is how you treat everything in life. Think about what you put in your body. How do you expect to have high energy with the shit you be eating? And then, we said the car example. Think about what will happen if you put water in the car instead of gas. Will it work properly? So what are you putting in your body then? How do you expect it to work properly with the shit you'll be putting in your body? Step 4. Eat the frog. Eating the frog is a productivity method that means completing the most challenging or dreaded task first thing in the morning. Completing the hardest task in the morning sets the day right, sets the pace productively. And then you have all the day to do all the things you want. First things first, do the most challenging part first thing in the morning. okay? Step 5. Cut off all addictions. Your addictions are holding you back. You're draining your time and energy from the most important shit you have in your life. Stop eating junk food. Stop watching porn. Stop procrastinating. Stop watching social media and browsing on social media. It's ruining your mental health, okay? Step 6. Clean your room. Your room reflects your mental state. Think about Andrew Tate, Alex Hormozi, Hamza, every YouTuber, every motivational David Goggins. Do you think their room's a mess? No. Of course it's not. Because their head is in the right space. Your head is not in the right space. So of course your room's gonna be shit. You reflect the reality you have in your brain on your small world that is your room. Okay? Step 7. Get off social media. It's a massive waste of energy and time. Fuck social media, bro. Why would you sit there? To watch Andrew Tate flex his Bugatti and his Koenigsegg Jesko? Bro, we know he's rich, okay? We know everyone's rich on Instagram. Stop watching this shit. It's ruining your mental health. Get on your shit. Work out. Diet. Get in the best shape of your life. Approach girls you see out. You're comparing yourself with everyone on Instagram who's probably taking steroids. And it's fucking your mental health really bad and making you feel worse about yourself. Fuck Instagram, okay? Fuck TikTok. Fuck them all, okay? You don't need them. You only need yourself, your mind, your determination, and your discipline. You don't need anything else in this life, okay? I hope this video helped you out. If you got some value out of this video, drop a like and a sub. And comment what's your worst addiction. Thank you for watching and peace.